How do you build your character? You have to put the internal puzzle together first. That internal puzzle is like one piece of the human puzzle, and you have to find where you fit. When you find where you fit, you allow others to attach onto you, and you attach onto other people because your fit is right. Now, can you take your uniqueness, that piece of the puzzle of who you are, can you place it anywhere else on the puzzle? You only fit in one place. That's where you fit. That becomes extremely important for you to understand that you are unique. That piece of the puzzle, each one of them is unique. So don't try to compare yourself to anybody. That's not who you are. Don't try to become another piece of the puzzle. That's not who you are. You have been made perfect for your own challenges, to allow you to maximize your potential, to reach the top of your own mountain, which is your own perfection. That's the key you have to understand. Do not compare yourself to other people. You're not the same piece of the puzzle. Don't try to take somebody else's spot in the human puzzle. It won't work. You won't work. That's what comparison does.